Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? Today's video is about some of the beauty hacks which every girl should know. Being a girl is not a simple thing, right? It is a very high maintenance job, and there are some of the beauty hacks which can actually make your life very easy. So you should actually try these hacks. These hacks are actually tried and tested by me. Some of the hacks are actually available on already on YouTube, and some are not. So in a way you'll get to know about at least one or two of the hacks which you might not be aware of, and they can actually help to save a lot of your time and to give you a better result. So let me just quickly start the kind of hacks I have for you. Okay, so hack number one. Everybody loves white teeth, okay, and I have one of the hack for you which you can use, and it is like a home remedy, so you can use it to whiten your teeth. Okay, so okay, I have this baking soda and toothbrush. It is very simple. You can use it once in a week or probably twice in a week. Baking soda helps in making your teeth even whiter. So what you have to do, you have to apply some baking soda on your toothbrush and brush your teeth, and that way you can actually get even white teeth. Sitting at home, you don't have to try any kind of teeth whitener which are available in the market. This is like really nice. I have tested it. I do it once in a while and it definitely works. Hack number two. Everybody loves thick eyebrows. These are like literally trending in these days. So if you have some old mascara which is on a verge of getting dry and you don't want to use it on your eyelashes because it makes your lashes look little clumpy and does not give a very fine result, you can actually use that kind of mascara to define your eyebrows. It works wonder. It is a very good brow gel. Okay, so I use this one. So can you spot the difference? This is the one which I have created using this old mascara, since I already have black eyebrows. So this kind of this hack actually works for the girls who actually have black eyebrows, and you can create a very nice look, and you just have to sit for a while so that it gets dry up and it gives very awesome finish. I really like this kind of thick. Let me show you clearly. Can you see the difference? This is what I have created using the mascara. I really like the results that I get. Let's move on to the hack number three, and this is for your eyelashes. What you have to use it, a Q-tip and some of the baby powder, and you have to apply it on your eyelashes to make it look even very fuller. So on my right eye, I have applied powder on my eyelashes, and on my left eye it is not there. So let me show you how the mascara application looks different. Okay. This is my right eye where I've applied the powder first before applying mascara, and my left eye, it is not there, only the mascara is there. And as you can see, the right eye the eyelashes look even fuller than the eyelashes on my left eye. So next hack is about cleaning your makeup brushes. We all don't have the makeup cleanser, the kind of the pads which are coming. But if you do not have any kind of makeup cleanser, if you don't have that, you don't have to be worried, because what you need is a hot water bottle and your brush. Okay, it actually works exactly the same, the kind of results you get from the makeup cleanser pads. And if you don't have the kind of the makeup cleansing soap also, what you can try some shampoo or some nice baby shampoo, or probably your face wash. Apply it on your brush and swirl it on this side of the water bottle, which is actually like rough, and it works exactly the same way it works for the makeup cleansing pads work for you. Okay, let's move on to the next hack, and this is about the red lips. Everybody loves to wear red lips. Well, I personally love wearing red lips, but the problem with the red lips is it tends to bleed, right? The red lipstick, if it is not completely matte, it bleeds. And if you don't have any matte lipstick with you at present, what you can do is you can actually make any lipstick matte. You can mattify it completely and you can enjoy without spending any further amount on the matte lipstick. So for that you have to use some of the loose powder and a brush. Dab it, remove the excess and dab it on your lips. Okay, ta-da! Your matte lipstick is ready without spending any further money on the matte lipsticks. And the last hack is about how you can remove your makeup without spending any money. If you do not have any kind of makeup remover with you, and sometimes the makeup remover actually don't help in removing your mascara, your your eyeshadows and your kajal, etc., and you actually need some kind of eye makeup remover itself for to remove all the eye makeup. Okay, but if you do not have, you don't have to rush to the market and get a eye makeup remover for yourself. I have something which is very economic and which is very easy to get at your place itself. Everybody must be having it at their place, and this is the coconut oil. Coconut oil is really nice in removing a single drop of the eye makeup. Okay, I do it every single time. Right now I'm having this one, but if you're not comfortable with this, you can actually purchase some of the virgin coconut oil and you can use it without getting worried about anything. It does not break out, it does not do any kind of irritation to your skin, and it just removes entire makeup so easy. What you have to do, you have to take some of the oil on your palm, take it and apply it on your makeup which actually you want to remove, and see how it is coming out. It is so gentle to apply and so easily you can get rid of any kind of makeup. So guys, these were some simple 6 to 7 hacks which I knew I try every single time, and they work really nice on me, and I hope they work for you as well. If you like it and you want to try it, and if you try it at your home, do not forget to tell me how you liked it, if they work for you or not. And if you also know some of the beauty hacks which you can swear by and you want to share it across, then do not forget to put it into the comment section. Also, you can tell me on my Instagram channel, and I would definitely love to hear it from you guys. So guys, that was all for the day. I hope you liked it. If you like it, then do not forget to give it a big thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel if you have not done yet. And I'm gonna see you very soon in my next video. Till then, ta-da!